Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we completed the publisher save part. In this class, I'm going to teach a publisher get all function. Get it? So let's go to the author controller. The same thing, get all author, the same method I just copied, paste on it. This one I get all publisher. Get all publisher. You have to go to this. If the request is coming, here we have a get all DTO, publisher DTO. This publisher DTO. Or you have to all press enter key, import the class, all publishers. Here you have to write the function which is a dot add publisher, right? Add publisher, sorry, get all publisher, get all publisher. You have to write get all publisher. Okay. When that endpoint is coming, get all publisher, it's go to this method. Okay, right. Now what here is the DTO publisher DTO. Now let's select this one, implement the method. Go publisher MDMPL. Here you have to implement. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to author controller. Then get all function. This one. These all things I am going to implement it over here. Right. Here list of publisher I'm going to get it. So we have a repo through we have find all the publisher. Okay, so the publisher repo dot find all function what does is already extend. It find out all the publisher you have insert into the database. Okay, so this one we are getting from the entity schema format. This entity schema. So the entity is a publisher. This end publisher. So get all publishers. Right. After that, we have set this one as a publisher DTO. We have to create as a publisher DTO list. DTO list. After that, we have right here publisher get publisher. Here write DTO. Okay, publisher DTO. Okay, publisher DTO. You write the publisher DTO. You write here publisher dot get publisher ID, comma publisher dot get publisher name. That's the thing you have to write it. So here the list publisher DTO list dot add this publisher DTO. Right, this one we have to set it over here as well. List. That's it. That's the thing you have to write it. Okay, right? So what I did here, first function what does is find all the via the repo we find all the publisher details. Okay, here we have a the data the publisher entity schema. After that we have to show in the front end. We have to show into the front end. We have to show it as a DTO format. So you have to write the object publisher DTO list. Here your publisher you have to get all the data you're passing to over here. We get by one and set into the publisher DTO format. To get publisher ID name. It also set into the DTO format. You have set it here. Right? So let's run it back. Now let's check it. Go to the publisher, get all publisher here, select this one. Not right. Over here, publisher, this one post method. So yeah, we have to write another method, which is a get method. So you have to paste it over here, this one, get this one, get all publisher, set it. Here, you will be able to view the details. You will be able to view the details look like this. Simple. Okay. Now let's go to the thing is edit and delete part. So the update and delete. So the update function of the author. Go to the controller. Okay. So here update DTO we have already created. Okay. Right. So here what I did here is your paste there. Update. This one should be update publisher. Update publisher. Just copy this publisher name instead of writing here. What's the DTO? This one should be the publisher update DTO. The publisher update DTO. Here we have created the same name you have to give here as here. You have to create a publisher update DTO. If you have write this one, it automatically take care of this one. Okay, after that, it will be publisher service. You have to create the method which is a update service DTO. Update publisher. Okay, update publisher. This one publisher saved update detail. Pass it over here. This one should be the publisher name. Publisher name. Select this one. Click on this method. Implement it over here. Let's go over here. This one. Click on this. Click implement method. You have to implement it over here. Here you have to write it over here. Author controller. Sorry. Publisher author service IMPL. This one. This method copy it. Paste on it over here. Here you have to write publisher repo dot exit by id here publisher update DTO dot get publisher id. Here you have to write, yeah, this one should be the publisher. You have to write here. You have to find out through the publisher repo get by id. Here you have to write this one DTO publisher update DTO. Here you have to write get publisher id. Here you have to write here get publisher update DTO dot get name. Here this publisher over here. Right now here this time first time you check it. When you update the record, first the publisher exists in the database or not. We have to check through via the repo, publisher repo. This is the query. I already check it. Select all from publisher where id equal what's the id coming on. You type it, right? If it is exist, it will be get the respective ID and you set the name and what's the name you are getting of the publisher, it will be updated. So this one publisher also you are passing over here. Here also what's the repo, we are passing the publisher repo. We have to save the record. Okay. Now the publisher will be updated. Okay, the publisher will be updated. Otherwise publisher ID not found. Okay, right? This one I already explained for the author part so that I have done fastly. The same thing I have done it again by again. You have get bored. Okay, you have to understand what the things are going on. Okay, simple way. Now let's go back to my controller. Here is update method. Okay, so here let's run it. Back to application. check it whether is there any error or not. There's no error. Now let's go to here, copy this, paste it over here. You have to post method, sorry, put method. This is a put method. Here this one, the endpoint is update, but I'm going to update it over here. This one I have to update it over this one. These all things here, just publisher one name, and when you get all function you have a list of publisher display. The same thing I'm going to update it. Body raw open and close bracket JSON format. You have to, here we get Arun Prasad. I'm going to write Prasad. Okay, this one now ID one. I'm going to update the Arun Prasad. Okay, so put method. So you have to here you have to write the put mapping. So put mapping. So put. Okay, now let's send. Arun Prasad has been updated successfully. Okay, now if you have go to the DTO, database, you can see that we have stored the name Arun Prasad. After that, we have changed that Arun Prasad has been displayed. You will be able to see over here. Right? Perfect. Now here we have got the after that delete part. So here delete part, here delete mapping, you just copy it, paste over here, delete, ID is coming, the delete, this one should be a delete publisher, ID, but send it to the publisher service, delete publisher. Right. Okay, so we have to create the method on our publisher IMPL. Implement method, get implemented over here. Now here we have what you are going to do is here we have tried it over here. This one. You have to check the repo whether the ID is what's the ID are going to delete of the publisher. The IDs exist or not. If this exists, we are going to delete the publisher. Otherwise, ID not found. Simple stuff, man. Very simple. The Spring Boot is very simple, very easy. Now let's run the application and check whether it's working as we expected way. All the code is done by the here. Now you can see when you build the record, we are going to this API. You have to write it here. Is a put wise struct. Okay, so delete mapping. Okay, so this is a delete mapping. I just same thing, just copy it and paste it. This one should be delete comma this one ID 1. Okay, so the one mean here if you write it, what's the API you are write it delete. If you have put 1, it goes to the here, it's passing to here, it's called the delete publisher. IMPL take the ID and delete. If the IDs exist, it will be deleted. Okay, right. So here if you are updated as again the update part as with Arun Prasad, you can see again I am going to update the record as Arun. Here now you will be able to see here updated query is working here, the Hibernate. That's why I show you here update publisher set name where the ID is coming, everything here show as a which one, Hibernate. Okay, right. So here again I'm going to delete the ID. You can check it the delete form, click delete that. Now you can see the delete record here, delete from publisher where the publisher ID is coming. Now we are go again, go and check it, the get all function. Here now send it, there is no record here, empty error. So it's working perfectly well. Okay, I hope you guys understood the things well.